In today's video, we're taking a look at how to set up a mechanical timer outlet, easy and simple. This is so easy, anyone could do everything that we use on the video. We're going to leave a link on the description. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. That does help us out a lot. Thank you. So you woke up today and turning on and off things is in your mind. Don't worry, here at the StatUpBox team, we've got your back. 2 blocks away, but a back is a back. And this particular timer is a 24-hour outdoor waterproof timer. We'll leave links on the description. But no matter if you have this particular timer or indoor or outdoor timer, the technique will be the same. The first thing that we get in the box is barbecue paper. I mean the owner's manual. Compared to an indoor outlet timer, the difference with this one, it does have a cover, and that would help with the waterproofing and the elements. If you notice at the right hand side at the top, we have manual mode. So it's a switch. When placed to the left side where the letter on is at, it would override the presets and stay always on. If we turn it to the right side, the timer or clock icon, it would only turn on and off depending on how you configured the timer. This particular device has 2 screw holes for hanging and 2 grounded outlets, and it has a small cord at the top for easier connection. And compared to other mechanical timers, each pin on this particular device represents 15-minute interval. In your particular device, each pin can represent 30 minutes, but no matter which of the 2, the technique will be the same. And now that we filled your brain with data, we're ready to start. The first thing that you want to make sure is that you have a mechanical outlet. If yours is digital, we applaud you. And a pro tip, if you're looking to buy a mechanical timer or a digital timer, always remember that now smart plugs can be configured in timer settings. The first thing that you want to do is make sure that all your pins are raised up. If you have any pins that are pushed down, we want to lift them up. A pro tip, using a tiny screwdriver or a small tool can make your life easier. The next thing that we want to make sure is that the switch is in timer mode. And before setting the dial, we want to understand how it works. Every number on the lighter side is daytime. And to represent that, if you notice on the white side at 12 noon, there is a sun. If you notice at 12 nighttime, there is a moon on the black side. So now that we have our class in physics, we're ready to start setting up the dial. And we find the easiest way to do this is by pressing down the start and ending time. We want our timer to be on. So this particular timer is for an outdoor light, so we want it on from 7 at night to 7 in the morning. So that means we're gonna click down or push down the closest to the 7, both in the morning and nighttime. The order that you do this won't matter. And then basically what you want to do next is press in or push down everything in between both times. And for this, you can use the small tools or your magic fingers. Always remember to use multiple fingers and both arms for an even pump. And now that you become a master at touching things with your fingers, we're ready for the next step. We're going to go ahead and set up the current time. And we do that by turning the dial until we get the arrow to the closest time that you're in at this current moment in the world, inside the universe, inside the galaxy, inside of space and time. And right now it's 3 p.m. in a few seconds. Now it's 3:01, but don't worry, grasshopper, we just get it close there and that's good enough. So as you can see, the arrow is pointing to 3 o'clock on the lighter side. And remember, you can always set up your time in 15 minutes intervals or 30 minutes depending on your system, and you're done. You can pat yourself on the back for a job well done. Today you become old school. Manual mode and mechanical mode are your nicknames. Don't forget, if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone on the StatUpBox team or someone on the YouTube community can help you out with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.